Common foods. Welcome back. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to talk about some of the most common foods and dishes in Spanish. These are words you'll hear all the time at restaurants, at home, or when you're talking about your favorite meals. You'll learn how to say things like hamburger, salad, soup, sandwich, pizza, rice, and steak. We'll also introduce the word comida, which means food in Spanish. Whether you're eating out or cooking at home, these are essential words to know. So, let's get started. The word for food in Spanish is comida. The word for hamburger is hamburguesa. The word for sandwich is sándwich. The word for pasta is pasta. The word for pizza is pizza. The word for salad is ensalada. The word for soup is sopa. The word for rice is arroz. The word for fish is pescado. The word for steak is bistec. Sopa de tomate, tomato soup. ¿No tienes pizza? You don't have pizza? Un rico bistec, a tasty steak. ¿Tienes pasta? Do you have pasta? Un sándwich de pollo, a chicken sandwich. Una hamburguesa de res, a beef hamburger. Una hamburguesa de pollo, a chicken hamburger. Una pieza de pollo, a piece of chicken, or a chicken piece. Well done! You've just learned some of the most common foods and dishes in Spanish. From simple meals like sopa de tomate and pasta to full dishes like una hamburguesa de res or una pieza de pollo. These are great building blocks for everyday conversations. In the next few lessons, we'll keep adding to your vocabulary. You'll learn the word con, which means with, more ingredients and side dishes, and even how to say things like mine, yours, his or hers, with possessive words like mía, tuya, and suya. Right now, we're still learning the basics, but step by step, we'll be able to build full sentences and express yourself more clearly. Keep going and keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.